Today we're at Infinity Camberley, where I've got a couple of the guys to do a £1,500 versus challenge, trying to get the best urban casual style that they can under £1,500. To my left is going to be Luca.
Hello.
And then to my right is going to be Alessi.
Hello.
Let's get straight into it. So the best way to decide, I think, in order to see who goes first is by playing a little game of rock, paper, scissors. You guys okay with that?
Yep, for sure.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm going first.
You're going to go first. Okay, you're going to go second, so let's go straight to Luca. You've got 5 minutes to get £1,500 worth of cool urban styling and bring it to me at the end. And then we're going to do a little comparison at the end of the video, see who has the best fit out of the both of you. Yeah? Okay. Ready?
Okay, so I decided I wanted to start with the helmet because it just makes sense. So I went for this Rafa 1 Nomaro, $524.99 on the deal. Brilliant helmet, Rafa 1. Great looking helmet on the design as well. We're definitely going to go for this. So let's rush around.
Why is he going so slow though? I think he's got all the time in the world. Do you think he's calm, cool and collected? Shaking his boots.
Move.
Sorry.
Gonna go Urban Pro Utility, down from $249.99 to $187.49, so you can save a lot more. I'm gonna pair it with the Dual Pro, so you can use it all year round. You can chuck anything you want on top, or for the winter you can go for just with this. What's next? Jeans, urban style. We're going with jeans. We're gonna go with bullets. Of course, we're gonna go with bullets. And yeah, Trojans, definitely. It's the way to go. Best jeans out there. AA rated, great armor. I'm gonna need to put this stuff somewhere.
Trying to whiz up the camera, man. Do you reckon we can put the total in at the end on the till and see what the price is? Yeah. I think that's what we should do. Cha-ching.
Gloves, ideally, for this time of the year, you want something Gore-Tex, you want something warm, because the weather is not great. You've got a couple of things to choose from here, but I think I'm gonna have to go with the Livigno Gore-Tex by Danese. They don't look too crazy, like they don't scream motorcycle glove, but you get the Gore-Tex in there, super comfortable. Definitely keep your hand warm and dry with these ones. But yeah, we don't have too much time, so we're gonna have to move on to the boots straight away. But yeah, definitely these ones we're going for. Yes, 2 minutes left, plenty of time, enough time. There's a lot of choice with urban boots. You got your J6s, waterproof, lovely shoe. The Suburbs, Danese to match the gloves, they'll go great. Waterproofs as well. Metroductive, kind of the same thing with the Danese waterproof technology. But I was thinking more Revit, Breccia, Gore-Tex. Definitely to top off the full kit will be the best thing. You go with Gore-Tex gloves, we go Gore-Tex shoes, so that you're always dry anytime. And then of course with the Urban Pro, you've got the Dual Pro on top to keep you dry and warm. So I think it just tops up the perfect £1,500 kit. There's no other way of putting it. And they're definitely not winning, for sure. Nah.
You have to pretend you haven't seen anything yet.
For sure, now we'll see how it goes all together.
If going first is a bad choice or if it's a good choice.
Probably bad.
Because he gets to see everything.
But I'm trying to get home, that's the point. It's my day off.
So Luca's done and dusted. We'll see his total in a little while. We're going to pass it over to Alessi, who's also got 5 minutes to show off his style with a budget of £1,500. You ready?
Yep, absolutely. Right, helmets we go. So, first off, Nolan Exoto 4 RS Puro Carbon. Lovely little helmet. And then pop this on the side there. Next off, jacket. Got the Alpine style Mohawks. Very nice little looking jacket. Here it is. Got a little waterproof liner as well. Gonna keep you nice and dry. Then jeans. We got the Bullet Ajax jeans. Nice little AA rated. Then off to the boots. We go, oh, dropped something there. Oh well. Off to the boots. We are gonna go for the Risha Calgary waterproofs. Can't go wrong with them. All black. Lovely little design. Right, whew, getting out of breath here. Gloves, SMX1 Dry Stars. Nice little sleek, can't go wrong with them. Urban look, and that is it. Oops. One more thing, because I know my budget, I have enough in my budget to get the new Krieg R25 V2. And that is me done.
Now we are going to total up all of their items, both Luca and Alessandro's, to make sure they reach the £1,500 mark, or if they're above or below it. Starting off with Luca, the man himself. I'm gonna need your hand with the tool because I haven't used one before. If that's all right. So you've gone for, which gloves are these?
I went with the Danese Livigno Gore-Tex gloves.
So we go to the boots now, which are the Revit Brescia?
Yeah.
Brescia? Gore-Tex, again Gore-Tex. There seems to be a trend here so far. Helmet, we shall have a look. That's a pretty decent deal. Cool. So we've got the raffle one at $524.99. It's not finished yet, I know that. We've got the Revit at $229.99, and we've got the Gore-Tex Dainese gloves at £113 or so. You're at 868 so far. Let's keep going and see where we end up.
Okay.
Knox Urbane Pro Utility Mark III, and you've got the shell as well. We're getting close to the limit here. What is this gonna bring us up to? If I can find the tag, here we go. We are at $174.99 for the jeans as well. Your total, as it stands right now, is £1,460.50.
Not bad.
I'm going to chuck you some earplugs in there as well, if we can get the Oxford ones. Here we go. No, Alpine pin locks, because why not? $14.80. Cool. All right, so that's your total. Now it's time to see what Alessandro has cooked up and chefed up. I'm clearly incapable of using one of these. Would you mind taking over for us? Thank you. All right, let's see what you've got.
Right.
Okay. Okay. I've got these. Double quad lock system.
There we go.
Cool. Right. So we'll start off with the Krieger bag. I know this is the brand new one. This is the R25 V2. It's actually very tempting for myself to pick one up. It is now a waterproof sack compartment as well, as compared to the older one, which was not. Good choice. Luca didn't do that. It's a bit of a shame that you think about that in his kiss out. Because that is part of your urban style, isn't it?
Exactly.
Queuing around, you know, put your laptops in there, go to a Starbucks with your coffee and other bits and bobs.
McDonald's, but
oh, McDonald's,
Starbucks
okay, yeah,
will
fair
do.
enough, yeah.
You know.
Yeah. Different folks, different strokes. You've scanned the jeans then. You've gone really quickly. So we've got the bullet jeans. Which ones were they? The Ajax?
The Ajax.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then we've got the Mohobs. This is the first time I've seen this, to be fair.
Lovely little jackets, man. Keeps you nice and warm.
It's a cool little material as well. I think this is meant to be inspired by the Moflo, which is like the meshy version of it. But yeah, haven't seen it in the flesh. What boots did you go for?
Calgary waterproof.
Oh, what a pick.
Yep.
I'm not trying to be biased here, but I think we might be pulling ahead at the moment. And what's the last thing that we have? Oh, last two things that we have here.
So we have the SMX1 dry style gloves.
Cool.
Little cardboard design, match the helmet, all black. Then we got the Nolan X804.
So you're matching, see?
Exactly.
You're not clashing colours.
Style. Yeah.
You know, so these are cool. I like that. And of course we have the Nolan X804 RS.
Indeed.
One of the best looking lids out on the market at the moment. That's fully carbon fibre and also at a really, really nice price point. They're on what, like 20% off at the moment?
20% off on Nolan's, yep.
Brilliant, brilliant. Okay, cool. That sounds like I'm really taking your side here, but we'll leave the comments to make their judgment at the end. But your running total now, complete with everything in, is way under £1,500. You've got it at £1,288.70.
You know what I think we should do with that?
What's that?
To get just under, we could add a comms.
Oh yeah, what are you thinking?
Go with the Freecon 4X.
Yeah, let's go for that then. And you get 16.6% off when you buy a brand new helmet with a comms kit, which Luca obviously forgot. Oh yeah, there's 6 different barcodes on there. I don't want to scan the wrong thing. Is that under or over? He's hacking into the mainframe. You're still under budget by £80. Are you mad? So the complete total, including the comms and the backpack and everything else, is £1,400 here or there. That is a good showing, I think. Right, now for you guys to get kitted out and compare side by side, I guess.
Yep. Let's do it.
And right, so there we have it. They're all fully kitted out. We've got Luca in his kit out. We've got Alessandro in his kit out. Actually, I'm going to ask them for themselves who they think is won between the both of them, and then we're going to get an outsider's perspective to see what they think and who they think won this challenge. Starting off with Alessandro, who do you think did it better?
Me.
And for you, Luca?
Well, I have to say me now.
Okay, you. Okay, right. Right, so undecided in that front. We'll get Ryan to give his opinion. What do you think of the kit out so far?
I really like Luca's kind of choices in terms of waterproofing. The Gore-Tex on the gloves and the shoes are really, really good. I don't know if it quite fits the urban criteria. The Dual Pro is a little bit quite motorcycle looking.
Yeah.
But overall, really, really good choice, and it fits within the budget, so I can't complain.
Okay, and Alessandro?
I think bang on with the urban look. I mean, looking at him, you think he's just another average bloke, obviously walking down the street, minus the helmet and gloves, obviously. Still a little bit of waterproofing with the Mohobs, really, really comfortable, and obviously brand new for 2024 as well, so bringing in all the new stuff.
And the opinions that matters the most in this verdict. Can you tell us who you think has won the battle?
I'm going to have to say Alessandro, I think.
There you have it. So if you did like this video, give us a thumbs up. We'll do more like this in the future. If you do comment down below wanting more like this, then please do say so. Be sure to subscribe, ride safe, and see you all soon. Sorry, Luca. Maybe next time, mate. Yeah?
Next episode.
Well done. Well done.
If you put me against Terry next episode, I'm smoking him.